Hey everybody! So if you've ever been gardening before, you know that soil mix can definitely be someplace that is pretty pricey, especially if you get good high quality soil mix, which is really what you want if you're going to be growing food or anything like that. So I wanted to talk today for a few minutes just about how we go about making our own soil mix, which can save you a lot of money instead of buying your own prepackaged potting soil. So we have quite a few beds in our garden to fill with soil. So we always go about making our own instead of buying the bags because it is going to be way cheaper in the long run to make our own instead of having to keep buying these bags of soil. So we do a method called Mel's Mix, which is from the Square Foot Gardening book. We do a 1/3 of coconut coir, 1/3 vermiculite, and 1/3 compost. Now, this overall makes for super high quality, great soil for raised beds. And I will say that the only really expensive part of this mixture is going to be that vermiculite. Sometimes that can be pretty pricey. So if you want to avoid purchasing as much of that, then you can substitute compost in place of the vermiculite that you're not doing and just do a little bit of the extra compost over the vermiculite. So really, if you're gonna be having more than like one 4x4 raised bed, making your own soil mix is definitely the way to go. You know exactly what's in that soil mix, super high quality, and it'll be way cheaper for you in the long run than buying just the bags of soil from any big box stores. Now it is super easy to mix all this up. Typically what we do is we just take like a 5-gallon bucket and fill one up with compost. Then take that bucket, fill it up with the coconut coir, and just keep dumping that into the raised bed, mixing it all up together, and that works really great for us. And then we just top it off with any extra compost that we need. And this mixture lasts us for years. We do go in and freshen up with some fresh compost each time we go through for each new fresh growing season, just to make sure we have a little bit extra life in there. But really that's all we do extra. So it's just a little bit of an upfront cost and then just continuing to add compost into it to freshen it up each time you go about planting. I hope this helps you save some money in the long run. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out, send us a message, or leave us a comment, and I will get back with you. Thanks everybody for hanging out.